I have two quotes. Can I do two or should I just do one?
Two is great. Let's do it.
Okay. The first one is something that if you have a conversation with me, you're almost assured to hear, which is you can't get what you don't ask for. I say this quote all the time, and it applies in a wide variety of situations. You can't get what you don't ask for. So if you want something, either go get it or ask for it. The worst they're going to say is no.
Love that. And then you're back where you were anyway.
Yes, exactly. Well, I mean, like, it's just, I think the thing is, we sometimes get in these anxiety loops of not wanting to offend people or make somebody mad or put expectations on people. And it's like, well, if you want a thing, you have to ask for the thing. That person can't read your mind. They're not going to know what you want. And so just ask for it.